My name is Andrew Kunambura. I'm the Public Affairs and Stakeholder Relations Manager for the National Railways of Zimbabwe. We are here in Mutare where we are witnessing the rehabilitation of the Mutare Machipanda line, which is 10 kilometers in length. The rehabilitation is a result of bilateral deliberations that took place between Zimbabwe and Mozambique, presided over by Honorable Minister Zim-Moza and his Mozambique counterpart. These talks happened in January, and it was agreed that this stretch needed a rehabilitation. So we are conducting this rehabilitation in conjunction with the Mozambique Ports and Railways, CFM, our sister company over on the other side of the border. So the Mozambican side has been completed, and we have now moved into the Zimbabwean side. A total of 10 kilometers is going to be rehabilitated. The rehabilitation process includes the re-sleepering of the area, which means we are removing the damaged complex sleepers and replacing them with new ones. And also worn out rail, we are replacing the worn out rail so that we can experience the smooth flow of traffic either side of the border. This will improve our turnover time and also minimize derailments and to ensure that goods can be moved in and out of the country smoothly, because we are a strategic company in terms of movement of all goods that are for export and import that has to move through rail. So the rehabilitation of this is going to go a long way in terms of improvement in that area. We anticipate the works to be concluded in 3 months or 49 working days. We have hired an extra 19 track workers, the extra 21 in addition to the 19 that we already had, to boost capacity in terms of labor. So we are happy that in addition to that, it has also helped to create employment for our people. We are very much excited with the work that is going on, and we anticipate smooth transportation of goods from now on, particularly that we are now aiming at establishing what we call working agreements, where trains from Mozambique can go as far as Harare, and trains from Harare can go as far as Ringa. So these are part of the agreements that are going on and the collaborative efforts. So the initial phase is just these 10 kilometers, but in the long run, we anticipate to keep the rehabilitation all the way to Harare.